Hey guys, welcome back to my next YouTube video. So, today we are talking about Hurricane Fiona and potentially a new hurricane to develop, okay? Right now we got Hurricane Fiona, a major hurricane, and this storm could go all the way up to notice Finland and all that. So be weather aware up there for this hurricane impact. So as of right now, we got major Hurricane Fiona that hit Puerto Rico a couple days ago. We got this storm going all the way up to Newfoundland. So be ready for some heavy rain, powerful winds, maybe some snow, and all that good stuff. And then the models are also showing something very particular tomorrow afternoon. So here's the severe weather things tomorrow. So what we're going to see tomorrow is there is two slight risk regions for tomorrow. So the tornado risk actually got extended towards my area tomorrow. So people that are in the tornado area of 2% chance are Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, okay? So, just letting y'all know how it is, okay? This is how it is. A tornado risk has been issued for these cities. Be weather aware tomorrow afternoon. Wind. There's a 15% chance of damaging winds near the Pittsburgh area. There's a marginal risk here. 22 million people are in a marginal risk, okay? So, guess what? This area didn't have a thing this morning, okay? Let's go check out the outlook from earlier today. Look, this was this morning, okay? It wasn't even reaching, but look, there was nothing out here. But if you look at it now, there's something out here, okay? We got a slight risk just added, okay? They upgraded from a general risk all the way up to a slight risk, okay? They just boom, 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 okay? They just did that right away. But what I'm going to try to say, the models here are showing something very interesting. Get ready, Florida. This is something for you. This is something absolutely for you. See this? This is Fiona, okay? It's supposed to go all the way to north. But what I'm going to watch here is this storm that's going to come from the south. Here it is. It's coming. There's that storm. It's likely to take a turn away from Florida, and it's going to go right up towards my area. Look at this crap. Okay, this is going to bring tornadoes and all kinds of shit. Okay, this storm is a very large. This hurricane could become major. Okay, this is what we're talking about right now. Okay, what that disturbance is going to be is this disturbance. Okay. This has a 80% chance of developing now. We got a 60% chance this is going to become a major hurricane. Again, this is what the GFS has shown, okay? But what I'm concerned about is, see this area, what concerns me, see how this rain wraps around just like that? Guess what could set up here? Tornadoes, okay? Tornadoes. Okay, this could bring severe weather all the way up to the East Coast. This storm has to bring a rain bag with it. This is going to be the remnants of tropicals. It's going to come so on the Saturday of October 1st, it's going to come right up the East Coast. Boom, right up towards our area. So we have to watch this hurricane very closely. It could impact me. So I live in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. I go to Schaefer's with Louie every day, just about every day. But like I said before, this is something very interesting. We got to keep an eye on, okay? This is not just a typical storm, okay? This is what the model shows. That major dang hurricane, okay? So, there it goes, okay? But look at this cool down, okay? See, it tries to bring cool air, but look what it does. But if it was in the cold air, that could have become a full-on snowstorm, bro. Okay? Look how... See this? It's like we said before, this is what we're seeing. So the most active model here is this model, okay? This is a hurricane, okay? It's gonna reach us by October 1st. So could have some tornadoes. Look at the cold front. Here it comes, and could have a big old severe weather outbreak up here. So be weather aware. Stay weather aware for the storm. So we got Fiona right here, but we also have something else now. We have 8. This is expected to become Tropical Storm Gaston, okay? This is another storm we're watching, okay? What's also crazy is that the Pacific is also active, okay? We got, look, the Pacific is active even both the Pacific and the Atlantic right now are active. Okay. This is so there's only 3 storms here, okay? The same thing in the Pacific Ocean right now. But like I said before, there is something to keep an eye on for the models tomorrow, okay? We have a good chance of seeing tornadoes tomorrow. See that? That's what we're talking about. There's a good chance of seeing tornadoes tomorrow. Very good chance, okay? This is where we got to watch out for them. Okay, this is the hazard weather outlook. So this is what there's a medium to high confidence severe weather posing probably all hazards can be ruled out to the southeast as well. So be weather aware because all hazards are possible, okay? Tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind. That's what this model says, okay? This is what it looks like right now, okay? So this is severe weather risk for tomorrow in my word of marginal. This slight risk, though, could be extended downward. But like I said before, all modes of severe weather are possible. And if this, it could become more significant. If the conditions really get primed up for tomorrow, I'll let you know. I'll let you know here in the morning, okay? This is something we have to let you know now, okay? If you're in Uniontown, like where I'm at, if you're in Newcastle, if you're in these areas, anywhere in these areas, be weather aware. It doesn't matter if you're in a slight or marginal risk. Be weather aware tomorrow. So, this is a concern for tomorrow's severe weather risk. So, we're watching out for severe weather tomorrow. But there could be an upgrade tomorrow. So, I will have to update you guys tomorrow morning if I'm allowed. But probably not. But, like I said before, the thunderstorm wind is so close to Pittsburgh, okay? We even have an excessive rainfall outlook for tomorrow. But that could go slight risk too. So, we'll have to keep an eye on that. But what's even... Oh my gosh. That is a humongous moderate risk for flooding. Wow. What? That could go high risk immediately. Oh. Man, that moderate risk is absolutely big. That's big, guys. That right there, you folks, that's the biggest moderate risk of flash flooding I ever seen, okay? The biggest ever. That's a real big flooding risk here, buddy. Buddy. Wow. Could have a slight risk right here tomorrow. Look at this. Marginal there too, but it's insane, man. Oh my goodness. It's a marginal risk as of right now, but if things get any higher, but like I said before, that's a big moderate risk. That just, this is another topic to talk about another day. Like tomorrow, we're gonna talk about flooding. Yeah, this is just, look, we got a slight risk right above it. Oh, geez, guys. This area is between 2 of them, but if they connect, the moderate risk gets up here. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Believe me, guys. I don't want to go today, but because I want to. So, I'm back in Fuel Flurry for severe weather season, so let's go to Pivotal. Because I am going to do that now because I want to. Because there is something about the storm prediction outlook. Because I love this place. I just go here all the time for all kinds of weather situations. So the species, the WPC. Oh my gosh, I can see the WPC forecast too. I'll go check that out. I'll check that. I didn't even know you can check that out. But we are going to do that. So this is the 4-day panel. I'll show you guys it now. Here we go. So we have, but the one out towards Idaho is only mainly wind. It's mainly wind, so. But look at this. All modes are in our area. All freaking modes in our area, okay? Tornadoes, wind, and hail. Tornadoes, wind. Tornadoes, hail, and wind. or the main frets here. But this area right here, and that slight risk, only has that's the wind's the main fret out here. So you don't have to worry about tornadoes or hail, or maybe hail, but you don't have to worry about those. But if you're in the northeast or like Ohio Valley and shit, stuff, you have to worry about all modes of severe weather. So that's bad news for you guys. So that is just what it is. Oh, it's the rainfall. Okay, that's interesting. But this is what we are keeping an eye on for tomorrow. But we're going to read some of the description for you. If I could. Let's go back. Day 2 categorical. I don't want to. This is the risk area for tomorrow. Here we go. So it's showing supercells. Like it says, that there's a potential for a supercell tornado is possible. All hazards are possible, guys. We are definitely going to be watching this very closely here pretty soon. So pretty much we basically talked about everything we need to talk about. But there's a big old cool down on its way with this cold front. This cold front is a strong one, very strong cold front coming. So this is what it is, okay? A huge, like I said before. See? Oh wow. Okay, a huge cold front. A huge cold front gonna bring very cold temperatures in the next couple of days. Big old temperatures in a couple of days, okay? A big cool down is coming. It's on its way, but look at this. I've been seeing this for a lot. There's snow on the map now. Look. There you go. Snow will be coming back in the picture soon. So don't be surprised. You see these up here go high, low, medium, whatever. It's coming. Winter is coming for you guys. Be weather aware. Okay, big cold fronts coming and bringing powerful temperature swings with them. Okay. It's coming, okay. Because we're going to check out the model again. Because we're going to check out the temperatures behind this front. Okay, this is what we're doing. It's really warm right now. Look how warm, but look how it just... Look at the big cool down. Look at that. It's going to start feeling like fall on fall. Okay? Look how hot it is. But watch what happens. That's what's going to bring the severe weather with it. Okay, see the temperatures? It's 88 ahead of it. And 90s, even 90s here. That could be a big old severe weather outbreak. But look what comes behind it. It goes from the upper 80s all the way down to the low 40s at night. And even low 50s. Okay, we're beginning to see the signs of fall on this model. But look, it's going to try to get colder again. Okay, it's going to try, but look how weird this is, okay? It's going to get, you see a cold air, it's just going to keep things below average in crap for the region. See, it just warms up in this region, look. But look at this, look at the cold air. It just comes back, but look at how cold it is, though. Just look. Okay, this is where it gets below average, and look at it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. So fall's coming, but look at this big old warm up, big old storm, and cause a big cold down. Look at that. Oh yeah. So huge cold fronts and maybe a storm hitting from the south coming up to the east coast potentially. Thank you guys. Bye.